Woo! Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gobble Bear Show. And finally, today we will have the unboxing. Yeah, an unboxing of our one of the new kits that I have. So I give this a priority because there's someone who requested this kit, and yeah, you can see that the name right there at the top. I will put it there. Okay, so that's the person who requests this. So thank you so much, sir, for requesting, because he also see the video or the review of this kit on Sir Gundam Deck channel. So yeah, so much further ado, let's go and let's unbox this one, the Star 258 HG Destiny Gundam Spec 2 with the Zeus silhouette. Okay, now I'm correct. It's called silhouette. Okay. Okay, the silhouette pack or the silhouette. Okay. Whew. So, yeah, the package, the box, you can see it. It's, you can't really see the Destiny Gundam right there because it's just something tracing the black outlines. Okay, and no so much for the box, as you can see there. Yeah, so without further, let's go and open this one. Let's go and unbox, and it should be upside down so that we can have the instruction manual first. Okay, so that's it. Woo. So yeah, so let's go first to the main manual, maybe. So this is the main manual for the kit. So yeah, this is the main manual, as you can see. Yeah, very basic. And another one, there's another manual right here, which is a manual for our Zeus silhouette. Yeah, it's also a folded kind of manual. So there are two separate manuals for the main unit and then for the backpack, the Zeus silhouette, and then another instructional manual, which tells you on how to attach and some other combinations of our Zeus silhouette. Okay, so it's very important. There are three manuals for this kit. Okay, so there are three. Okay, so let's put it aside for this one, and then let's go for the parts. Okay, so we have here, so I will let you see in advance that there is a water slide decals. As I know, maybe this will be for our main unit. Yeah, and then this is the water slide for our Zeus silhouette. Maybe I will put the Zeus silhouette's water slide decals. But yeah, that's just maybe, okay? Because you know me, I don't really I want to have some decals. Or especially the water slide decals. But yeah, let's see. Okay, so let's see how many packs we have together with the Zeus silhouette. Okay, so this will be a whole, not just for the main unit itself, but with the Zeus silhouette also. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 packs. Wow, there's so many. Yeah, because this is a big one. So let's see. Oh, there's a screwdriver. Okay. Okay, so now let's open the packs, and yeah, let's have the parts one by one. Okay, so let's go. Let's open. Okay, so we unpack it, and yeah, this kit and this brand is very decent. Why? Because all of the plastic that they use has this sticky type right there, so that you can really just seal it again. Oh, very nice, and I really like that. Yeah, you can really reuse these plastics, especially if you have some extra parts that you don't need on the unit or even on the backpack. You can use that, which I will really use it because after this vlog, after this unboxing, I will group, or maybe after this one, I will group, not just maybe, but I will reseal it again with groupings, making a group of the runners for the unit, the main unit, which is the Destiny Gundam, and then the unit or the parts or runners of our Zeus Silhouette. Okay, so yeah, so you can see, you can still reuse these plastics. Okay, so yeah, recycle, reuse, and reduce. The 3 R's for recycling. Okay, so I will put it this first out. Right, and then yeah, there's some parts already that was removed. So I will be back. I will just put all the runners that should belong to the Zeus Silhouette, and then also that belongs to the main unit. So after this, when I'll be back, I will introduce first the parts for the main unit, and then go, and the next one we will go to the Zeus Silhouette. Okay, so I'll be back, and yeah, let's group it first. Let's go, let's group it. Okay, so now I've separated all the parts, but yeah, I will introduce the part just randomly, because it will really take time on me to make it in order. And some of the runners were also detached, because I know that there are some runners here that should be combined to each other. And yeah, I will just go random for this time. Okay, so just to make this vlog faster. Okay, so let's have first this part, which is it's just called the 1:144 ABS. And as I know that this should be with the main unit for the Destiny. Yeah, as I can see, this should be on the ties. Yeah, and some of the knee part, and there are some joint parts, which yeah, it's very obvious that this should be on the Destiny. Okay, so that's our first one, and then the next one. Next is this part right here, and yeah, this is one of the what I said, that it's very different from the Titi Hongli or the Gao Gao, which is, I think, according to the video of Sir Gundam Deck, if I'm correct. So just correct me if I'm wrong. Just put it in the comments. That in the Titi Hongli, or on the version of Titi Hongli for this unit, the white is really white, but here in Star, the white is a little bit gray. Not just a little bit, but it's really kind of light gray, which, as I remember, the Destiny Gundam Spec 2 is also being this kind of color on the movie. So I really need to rewatch the movie so that I can see the colors. Okay, so that I can see if it's really exact that this should be the colors. That's why I also get the Star brand. Okay, so this is the ties also. So that's the part. Okay, so the leg part also, and then the side, which is on the shoulders, maybe, yeah, of our Destiny. Am I right? Yeah, so that's it. And then the next one, this something smoke black. It's like a smoke black color. It also have something dark gray black color kind of vibrancy. So yeah, so this is for the wings. As I know, this is for the wings, the connection for the wings, and some other parts also. This is for the backpack side. Okay, and yeah, the mold is nice. Not so much molded mold marks. Yeah, nice, man. It's a nice one. Okay, see that? I hope you can see it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's our another one, which is this is your runner D. Oh, I am not telling you the letters. So as you can see, there are some cat parts that should be part of some other runners here. So it's a runner D, and then another one, which is this one. I like this one. I don't know if we should have the yellow VFin or the gray VFin, because I need to see first the Destiny Gundam Spec 2, the image of it, the official image, that I can see if we will use the yellow or the gray one. But I think we should. I think it should be gray, maybe. So yeah, so if this is the gray one, the side, which is I know this is for the hands, and then this is for the what part is that? I think this is for the crouch area. Yeah, so that's the gray one. Okay. Oh, and even the back part is nice. You can see that there's some molds right there. I don't know it's from the mold marks, but I really kind of like it. Yeah. So that's Another one. And then this one also, which is very gray, man. I really like it. Which very, it really differs to the other Destiny form, which is the original one, which in the Gundam Destiny. Not yet the Gundam Seed Destiny. Not yet the Gundam Seed Freedom. Okay, so this is the Destiny other form, which is gray. Not other form, but other color, but also other form, because it's already different. Okay, so this part right here is also the part right where I think it's it's identical to this one right there. Yeah, and this is B1, so these are B1, so I'll just put it right there, B1. This is your D. Let's see. So this is the time that we will segregate it. So next is this blue, which is very nice. So it's not light blue, it's dark blue, very dark. Yeah, it's very dark, a dark blue. Yeah, which I really like it. So this is your A. So the A will have more parts, as I know. So I think we can attach this, maybe, no, right now, like right here, maybe right there. So yeah, so we kind of assembling also during the unboxing. We assemble the every runners. Oh, it fits, man, it fits. So I think that's the right place. Yeah, so that's your runner A. So this is part of the runner A. So that's a blue one, and then another part right here, which is a little bit white, which is also part, I think, yeah, it goes right here. So this is also part of our runner A. So this is what we will get if you will have a bootleg. Yeah. It's just the runner, but you need to assemble it. Okay, so this part of the, I think, is am I right? It's it's not a tactical sword. I forgot the name, but yeah, it's the sword, which it's an anti-ship sword. Maybe that's the name. Yeah, and then it's more on white, which very differs here. Which this is gray, and this is very light, not so white also. Something blue white like that. Okay, the next we have here another part right here, which is the shell defect parts and the Palma Fallucina, I mean, if I'm right on the name. Okay, which is can be, oh, it can be put in here. Okay, so now this is all of the runner A. So that's it, we formed the runner A. That's your runner A, man. Very nice. Okay, it's your runner A. Then next we have here another, which is the yellow one, which is very similar to this one. So you can see, that's why I'm telling you if we should use the yellow or the gray one. Okay, so that's it. And then next is this part right here, which is the wings. Oh, very nice. The red is dark, not so dark, but not the bright red that we always have with the red parts of a typical Gundam, protagonist Gundam that we have. So this is your red, and it's ×2 right here, which is very nice also. It's like the red is going to maroon already, which is very nice. Yeah, it's refreshing to the eyes to have this kind of colors. And then the green, see that, more on dark green now, not so very green. Yeah, not dark, not so dark, but a little bit dark than the usual one. Okay, so it's for the railgun at the side, maybe. Then we have the we have the polycaps. We really need that. Okay, and then the effect of the wings at the back. Yeah, the wings of light, the wall, which is very nice also, which they use it. And also the beam effect parts right here, another one right there, which is nice also. And then this part of here, which is also, this is a repeat of this part at the above part right here, which is, this is your runner C. So we have the runner C, we have the we have the A, this is the A, this is the A, this is the B, and we have the what is the name for this one? Yeah, we have the B, the C here, and then we have the D, and then we have the D1, D2, and then the effect parts of it, which is the F, and we have the E here, this one. Okay, so that's the parts for the main unit. So that's the one that we need to assemble first. Now we will go to the parts or the runners for our Zeus silhouette. Okay, so let's go. Let's have the Zeus silhouette. Okay, so now let's go to the Zeus silhouette, and I don't know the parts. Okay, I don't know the every part of the Zeus silhouette. So let's have again another random one. So let's have this first, which is I really like that. Gold is very nice, man. But let's see if it is undergated or not. And yeah, it's undergated, so it's nice. It's good. The inside part is not gold. It's something brown, but if you flip that, it's like a rose gold color. And this is called ZG1. A ZG1 runner. Wow. Very colorful. Then another one here, which is they are both the same, which is the ZF2. As you can see that color, man, it's very glittering gold, which are different from this one right there. Okay. Ooh, very nice, man. Wow, those tubings, very nice, man. Wow, I'm really excited to do the Zeus silhouette. This will be a very, very refreshing kind of kit for me if I will do the backpack already. And then another ZG2. This is the ZG1. So this is the ZG2. It's the same with the part of that side. And then we also have this one right here, which is the red one, which is like the attachment to the feet. Yeah, but again, this should be connected to other parts, so let's wait if you can see it. So next we have the same part also, which is your ZB. Am I right? Yeah, ZB. So ZB, let's see if this will fit here. Let's see. I think not. Yeah, it will. Let's see. So yeah, like this. So it's part of the ZB. Okay. So again, we are unboxing, but we are also building the runners. It's very nice experience. Okay, so with another one right here, which should be like this one, and this part at the above part. Let's see. Yeah, it will be a long video because of this. It's just an unboxing, but we are also doing this. So I just want to let you see the rawness of this kit, which when you open up, you will really do this. Yeah, in order to see the whole form of our kit. Next is we have this part right here. It's the gray one, which I really don't know what part of this of the Zeus silhouette. Yeah, it's a backpack, so I don't know which part of this one will go. But I think this will also suffice this. Yeah, I'm correct. Yeah, it will go here. And it will go here again. And this one also right here. Wow, we are building the runner. We're not building the kit, but we are still building a runner. Oh, hard, man. It's hard. Hey, get in. Yeah, right there. We need that forbidden technique. Using our very strong feet. Yes, another one right here. It really consumes my time, but yeah, it's okay. I just want you to show the rawness of this video. So it's long, so maybe I will put a disclaimer on the start of the video that this will be very long. So we are now making or building the ZB runner. Yeah, we see that. Okay, next let's have the other one, which is this is the ZC. We have the ZB, ZC. So what will be the next one? Yeah, ZC, so you can see. ZC, yes, you can see. Okay, so again, we don't know the parts. We don't know what are the different parts of our Zeus silhouette. So I just let you see it. Then next is this one right here, which is I still don't know what runner it is, but it's a little bit kind of plastic, a little bit soft. Yeah, a little bit soft. But yeah, this is the something black. It has some kind of some mesopods right here. Next is this part right here, which is your ZD1. So I think we also have a ZD2. Let me see if we have a ZD2. ZD1. So I think this will be the ZD2. Yeah, we have. So we have the ZD1 and this is the ZD2. So ZD1 is here. So it is repeat of this part right here at the bottom part. So this is the ZD1 is just this part right here, and the ZD2 is this whole part right here. Okay, so that's a ZD, and then another white, which I don't know which part it is, and then another gold right here, which is the ZA. Maybe you, oh, okay, so we can combine the ZA right here with this gray part. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, and I think we can also get this one, which we can combine it right. Okay, it goes in. Let's go. So it goes in right here. See, okay, the black part is going in smoothly, and another one right here, and another one right here, and let's lock it. Okay, that's it. And we still have some missing part right there. But yeah, so this is the ZA. This is part of the ZA. So then again, we also have this part right here, which is your ZE. This is your ZE. Okay. So that's it. That's the parts of our Zelouette. But we also have this part right here. I don't know which part it will go. And we have another one which was detached already. So we'll just put it on the box. So I think we can put it, I think here. Let's see. It will, okay. Oh, no. It doesn't goes in. So I think it's on the ZA. I think it will go, okay, it will go here. On the ZA. Yeah, that's the part. Okay. It's very nice that we are also building the runners of this kit. And to have, oh, we still have here. We still have this two here. I think, okay, so this will be the part right here. This is a very refreshing kind of unboxing. So we are unboxing and also building the runners. Woo! So this is the, again, this is the consequence of having a bootleg. You will also build the runners. Okay, and to have the finale, we have the boxes, not the boxes, but the stand, which is very nice, because we really need the stand because the Zeus Silhouette is very heavy, and we have some screw and screwdrivers which will help making the stand. Okay, and even it is very big, we also have a sticker, and I already show you the water slide at the first part. Okay, so this is the part of the Zeus Silhouette and the main unit, which is the Destiny Gundam Spec 2. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And let's go back and let's clean the table first before we go and end this video. Let's go. Okay, yeah, that's a very long video for an unboxing of an HG because yeah, we have so many parts to unbox. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it and you get some info about this video or this unit. So when you saw this video, I already done making or building this gunpla because I already have made the live video or the live build for this unit. So watch my live build so that you can see the different cons and pros and cons of this kit, so that you can ask me hands-on on the comment section of the live video so that you can see what are the problems that you will encounter, or the pros that you will have when building this kit. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification button for our next videos. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you so much. So good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake Dela signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. That's it. Thank you and peace out. Bye. Let's go. Let's build this one.